Kakabahan. Bilis naman lumaba yun.
That level of tough two after tough two. As elite as those guys are, as Isidoro Williams continues to be attended to, some big point in charge. Makes free throws. He hasn't had a field goal in this game since 8:38 left in the first. What a struggle.
He's in the desert right now.
Sabi mo na ang talamin, hindi mo nakikita yung tsura mo.
With the offensive rebound and another opportunity for Boston.
Haba oh.
Set on the shot clock, Tatum.
Ay, ganyan ka na lang. Ganun ka mo. Ayoko nga.
You know, Jason Tatum is official, efficient, intentional, purposeful about finishing the mission.
Magkano kayo pag binenta yung ganyan po?
Take another look at the foul.
Wala.
Had a chance to speak with
Depende.
him around this morning, asking him about his
Iba,
Pero nabibenta na yung tela yan ah.
iba nire-rebal muna bago tanggal.
strong.
Ah, sayang naman. Sayang yung ribbon.
Kasi iba, hindi bumibili lang yung
Hindi, ano,
To make sure that he's getting the proper nutrition for each and every playoff game. And he's gone back to lifting weights in a full 3-minute
Ate, yung ano na lang, yung sa may babaeng yun sa pulo, yung ano, yung pumupunta sa bahay, yung gupit nun. Ayoko nun.
ba't yun ano eh?
Ayoko nun. Bakit nun? Ganda-ganda nun eh. Yung nagugupit kay, yung nagugupit. Yung ano ko. Ayoko nun, yung kanina, nasa lubong natin. Ayoko nun.
Undercut.
Saturday on ABC. Miami hosts New York, followed by the Lakers at home against Golden State. Sunday on ESPN, Boston, Philadelphia, then on TNT.
Magugulat siya.
Starts all at 3:30 on Sunday.
To the point-blank range. Now you get the three out of it, but I think that speaks volumes.
Out with the Levitt. Into the corner to Brown. 3 on the shot clock. He's got to get busy. He doesn't realize it. Finally does.
Ang nalito, kumukha mo. Yung ano ni Papa mo.
They're going to let Maxey initiate the offense, but generally speaking, I would think we're still going to see a big role with James and Joel here.
Ang galing siya ni ate ah.
52-hour mark for 3. Still can't find it.
Hindi ba alam niyo mamaya?
Alam ba? Ha? Ano galit mo?
Sabi ko, kakalbo na nga ako eh. Hindi pa kalbo ko lang. Kalbo ko.